the top. What's good? We here, man. Day 2, TX2K. Yesterday was crazy. We were literally driving everywhere. Sadly, this one broke. Undetermined right now, but yeah, he might be out for the rest of the show. There ain't shit out here. We low-key snuck in, but we made it. These guys have entirely way too much money. You think having a normal race car, it's cool. TC this shit. Must be nice. Goals on goals on goals. So simple. God damn, bro, look at the tire on this shit. That's crazy. No, Viper down. Oh, that hurts my soul. Oof. Damn. No way this shit has a VR38 in it. What the Nah, that's crazy. This got some crazy shit out here. I want to drive it. Like, let me drive it. Mean little sleeper. Niga. Hey, TRC. These guys used to follow me on my old page, but I lost it. That's clean. I'd be like wanting to film this stuff, but then at the same time I don't, because I want to just enjoy it. But you know, I gotta let y'all see too. Damn, this setup is clean. This is like my S15 on steroids. And that billet cover though. These guys have so much money into these GTRs. Shaquita and Shantae, the Black Queens.
Brazia comes up right hand side, Hoffman left side. 185 will indeed. 185.7. Just a smidge above 70 miles an hour. So Sergio De La Torre will not get a count here. 177.90 miles an hour might be enough to get him in. Yep. Moss is on the left. The Toyota moving hard down the middle of the racetrack. And that will get Sterling in. We'll stop at 191 miles an hour. Montoya punches his ticket to play tomorrow. The run that he won. He will go through. Edgar Montoya not qualified on the right side. Can he get there in the GT? Mario Thal trying to get in the Lamborghini. And cannot do it. 74 miles an hour. Logan Epling on the right-hand side.
Turbo?
Christy Hoffman, her last chance to get in. 169. It moves a little bit, but a lot of smoke out of the Mustang.
Whole different level of money, dog. $1 million builds and shit. As if the car wasn't enough. big ass Whipple. Damn, okay. X3M gang over here. Alright. See what y'all got going on. God damn, this motherfucker got a big ass turbo. Jesus. It's wild. I think the turbo has a car.
Later that same evening.
Oh, right, man, we are back. Got a little bit of rest. Track was hot. I was trying to hide under the bleachers and shit. So we gonna see what tonight has in store for us. I'm about to fire up the vet. She chopping. We're gonna be going to the RK meet tonight, and I'm gonna link up with the homie Jesse right now. I think he's gonna be driving the shop Pt.2 G80. So let's get it, man. Let's see what the night got in store for us. Rico's 240. 1400 horsepower in that little ass car. The beast in here. Woo. A little 2-second car. Fucking crazy. Ugh. Guys, can you believe this thing hasn't even had a car wash since it was in Cali? And it still looks pretty clean. Kind of look like a tomato. Alright guys, it is dark. Probably should use my other camera, but I don't feel like taking it off the mount. But we over here at RK. I actually need a manifold for them. I probably should talk to them right now. At the all-wheel drive G87 with Yaz under the wheel. My boy finally converted.
Hey!
Cracking.
Good, man.
Feeling? Super right here. Pretty sure it might be a little bit faster, but I'm down. I don't give a fuck. I don't have any ice or nothing in this, and the car's a little warm, but fuck it. second to work. A proper setup Supra can be an easy like 3-second car, so it's pretty hard to get these ZR1s into the 3s without spending a fucking lot of money. But you know, it's all for fun. ZR1s, it's like you either make too much power for second and it doesn't work, or you don't make enough power for third and it's pretty laggy. Because third, a 60 roll is at like 2800 RPM 3K, so obviously that's not in the power band. So depending on what car you're racing, you know, if they get out on you, you gotta kind of try to reel them in. But if you get second to work, brother, second gear fucking moves. We'll see. That was fun. That was fucking good.
That bitch comes on hard as fuck. Damn.
It fucking hits nasty, bro. What's good, bro? Oh, you were following us on and watching everything?
Man, we were just at the hotel, so I'm from Germany.
Oh shit!
Yeah.
Sick.
So we were just at the hotel and was like, yeah, I want to get a burger, so let's head out. And then
Much later.
Alright guys, we are off to a spot. So I guess the spot got burned, so they picked a new spot and it's like a 40 to hour-minute drive. And we're just like, I don't really know if that's worth it. So one of the homies here, he knows a guy here that he raced last year, pretty fast, twin turbo Mustang. I think it's a Gen 2 with a Gen 3. But yeah, it's like 1,000 something. So probably gonna get a quick run in, fuck it. He's a local, so let's see, babe. This is what we running.
Just tap my leg going.
Carbon doors. My boy got some Kirkies in there. Okay. I'm for sure dead. APR? Cake's dead right now. It's cool though. I'm just trying to have fun, man. Win, lose, draw. Should be good. See if my second works again. Alright guys, let's see what happens. Apparently this thing's pretty fast. It's an auto car, so I can't fucking mid-shift. But I told him I'm gonna try second, because I'm probably gonna need it. And if it doesn't work, then I'll just do third. I think he's gonna do a burnout or something. Sure what happened on that one, if he spun or mid-shifted. Says he has a new trans that he's trying out on the car too, so I don't know, but this motherfucker moving. And yeah, we put some ice on the car, by the way. So, god damn, bro, this shit is flying. I already said, I think he said he had his boost controller off, or something happened, so we're gonna run it back. You know, I'm all for the fairness. I just want to have fun. That shit's definitely fast though. Like, trust me, I'm giving all this fucking car got. Fucking spun pretty bad on that one. I think we both spun. That was like a bad patch of pavement or something. That was good though. That was a fucking badass race. Alright guys, we are back. I don't think we're doing any more runs tonight because the pack they're far, so. Alright man. You already know tradition, gotta stop at the Young Waffle House. 4 in the morning. Yes sir. That car is so fucking loud. I hear that shit in my sleep. Hey, protein bowl. That's new. Well, that definitely hit the spot. What time is it? 5 in the morning. Another night in Texas. Tonight was lit. Car is doing amazing. And that might be the end of this video. We're gonna start another one tomorrow.